In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to open an account or a bank account of Wells Fargo. If you also want to get signed up and create your account also, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Search for wellsfargo.com on the search bar of your web browser. Now, Wells Fargo provides different kinds of accounts depending upon which type of account that you want to create. Either it's your personal account or any other account that you can see on the top. Any other type of account within personal or any of these accounts, you'll need to pick your option. Every option that you pick will have a different interface, so you just need to follow the steps that are shown or that are asked, and your account should be created. Now, for this video, I'm going to choose the savings account. And inside, you can also see the details that this account provides. Click on Open Now. Now, firstly, before you start typing in your details, here are some of the information that you need. You'll need either your social security or your tax ID number, your valid ID, such as driver's license, state ID, or your matricular card. And you'll need at least $25 for this case, and yours might be different depending upon which option that you choose. Scroll down further and it's going to ask you, are you an online banking customer? Click on yes if yes. Click on no if no. Click on continue. From here on, you just need to type in your details correctly. As I said earlier, your interface might look different and the details that you need to type in might also be different. Type in your first name, your last name, select your taxpayer ID, either your social security or your tax ID number, and type it in. Select your ID type, type in the number, date issued, the expiration date, and your date of birth. Once you fill in all these information, and in the next page also, you'll need to fill in some other details. Once you fill in all these information as well, your account of Wells Fargo will be successfully created. So that's how you can create an account of Wells Fargo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we